Ish, this one is important. I want you to listen carefully. Most cases, people would go bahambe bathi bayohlola. And then mabehlola bese kuphume ukuthi bangasayi emathunini wasekhaya because of amathuna asebenzwe mhlambe the family member or stuff like that. That's what they usually say. 80% of the time uzwa leyo nto leyo. It's not true. It's not entirely true. Yes, amathuna ayasetshenzwa, but 80% of the time that is not true. Ithuna ikhaya lomzimba womuntu, but ithuna akusikhaya lomoya womuntu. Okusho ukuthi umoya womuntu khona la uhleli khona. Ikhaya lawo likhona somewhere. And it is up to you to discover ukuthi lo moya walowo muntu loyo uhleli kuphi. But umzimba wakhe usethuneni ngoba ikhaya lawo. Now, in most cases when you hear such, loyo muntu loyo ofuna ukuyomvakashela kusuke kuwuye ofuna ukuthi ungayi ethuneni lakhe, because akekho lapho. So it's up to you to discover ukuthi ukuphi. We understand? Now, let me make an example. Ugogo wakho obeka sonta e-Seventh Adventist, obeka ngakholelwa ezintweni zamadlozi, beka umama nje ohloniphekile esontweni asindisiwe, old Stone Age Christian, nothing to do with African spirituality and stuff. When your grandmother dies, and then nifuna ukuyomvakashela ethuneni lakhe and stuff like that, are you aware ukuthi chances ukuthi uma nibuye ethuneni lakhe nibe namabhadi are very high? And manihamba niyohlola nivelela amabhadi senibuye ethuneni lakhe bese kuthiwa ithuneni lakhe lisetshenziwe. You know why nivelela amabhadi? It's because she died not believing in that. Ushone engakholelwa ukuthi abafile abanasabelo kulabo abaphilayo. So ithuna lakhe liphethe umzimba wakhe but yena akekho lapho. If you want to communicate to her, you need to find a space, you need to find a place la uzofike ukhulume nayo. Mawufike ethuneni lakagogo wakho, mawufike ethuneni lomuntu ofana onjalo, you don't talk, you don't say anything. Ufika nje uclean ithuna, that's what you do, then uhambe. That is why it's important ukuthi uma uye emathuneni uphahle kuqala ubatshele ukuthi ukhuleke umtshele umuntu wakhona ukuthi ngiyeza ethuneni lakho, so that mawufika azokubona, you know. So your grandmother nizovele nibe namabhadi because what you are doing, it's not what she believed in. Christianity, guys, it made a huge shift into African spirituality. And most of us as healers, we don't want to talk about that. Indlela izinto ezashintsha ngakhona mhla kufika inkolo yabalumbi. You know, so this thing ifana another thing yokuthi nihambe niyohlola bese kuthiwe kudinge ukuthi nihlambulule abantu abadala, nilungise umsamo sekhaya, bangena abantu abadala bangeniswe ngokusemthethweni and stuff like that. Niwenze leyo msebenzi leyo, uma niqeda ukwenza how 3 months 6 months down the line uthi umunye uthi uhambe uyohlola bese kuthiwa no, kudinge ukuthi ningenise abantu abadala ekhaya, khona beme ngaphandle egeyidini, khona beme ngaphandle bafuna ukungena kodwa bakhona. Nithi hawu, mose siwenzele lo msebenzi lona, then why? You know why beme ngaphandle? It's because abafuna ukungena, not because of umsebenzi uhambe wrong. Yibo abangafuna ukungena. They didn't believe in what you guys were doing. The Tamba pillar, they didn't believe in that. So the time nihlaba nenza umsebenzi nibike emadlozini and stuff like that, kungene laba who believed in that. they came in. Labana, they didn't believe it. Azange baza bangena. So, inking ifike belapho ukuthi i-difference or i-shift eyenziwe i-Christianity in African spirituality. Now, kukhosta ukuthi after ngiqeda kwenza lo msebenzi loyo, a month later or something like that, niphinde nihlangane futhi niyifamily. Manihlangana niyifamily, now nizobamba into engazathi i-service nyana nje encane, like nizivalele ekamereni, nizivalele erumini, noma ku dining room, nikhanyisa amakhandlela. If la ekhaya nikhulele eWeseli, nishaya ifila mfana, nishaya amahubo, nishaya amahymns waseWeseli, kuculwe kube mnandi, kube ifamily, nikhuleke, nikhanyisa amakhandlela, nibe isiphithiphithi, abaneyiphika bagqoka iyiphika zabo, abanamaduka white bafaka amaduku wabo, kube nje ileyo mess nje leyo emnandi, kube isifila, nenze iladi, manenze iladi lakhona, nipheke ukudla. After leyo service leyo encane eniyenzile, khiphe itulo lihlale ngaphandle, kuphuma amasavana, kuphuzwe kube mnandi, kukhishwe ukudla okuphekiwe, kudliwe, kuthathwe utshwala emsamo, kuphuzwe, kube malsal, kube mnandi. Then laba bangaphandle bazongena. Because what Isithunywa believes in and what Idlozi believes in, it's not the same. Idlozi believes ukuthi everything should be traditional and it should go accordingly. Idlozi believes in the sense of protection yomndeni. But Isithunywa believes in the unity yomndeni, the love yomndeni. So the time nina nihlangene, nihlaba, nenzani, niphahla and stuff like that, you were all about the protection, benihlambulula nibuyisa abantu abadala ekhaya, because nifuna izinto zenu zilunge, kube khona i-protection, abantwana bangavelelwa izingozi nasemimoyeni and stuff like that. Izinto zedlozi lezo. But then Isithunywa sala ekhaya, it believes in that unity yomndeni, lothando, lokuhlangana komndeni, kuhlekwe kube mnandi, nibonakale emabaleni and all of that. That's what it wants. That's what invites Isithunywa sala ekhaya. That's what Christianity infiltrated into African spirituality. That's what made. So, ubona umuntu abathe uthi uphakamisa isithunywa sakhe asiphakame and stuff like that. It wants that. Ifuna leyo unity leyo ukuthi mhlawumbe ngabantwana bomuntu nje nihlala if ekhaya nikhulele eWeselo, nikhulele eRome and all of that, nibe na that service nyana, bese labayana bayakhona ukungena, the energy ikwazi ukubavumela ukuthi bakwazi ukungena ekhaya. And another difference between Isithunywa neDlozi ukuthi iDlozi nilenzela umsamo, lifike lihlale emsamo libe settled. But Isithunywa siyaplagwa ekhaya, asiplagwa uwe sona, sisiplaga sona ngokwaso. Sifike sifuna indawo ekhaya, or sifike sifune something la sizofike sihlale khona, sifike sigcile kuyona. And usually kuba into endala, it's something old, like it's mhlambe kwakuyindlu kagogo lena, kwakhona iy'thombe like ezisekhishini, or bokhona iblompot or something like that ugogo loved so much. Ngisho noma benifuna ukuyisusa ugogo beyangafuni ngale blompot, bekalwa kabi makhoninga noma isolela ngaphambi kwayo. Trust me ukuthi makafika ezisithunywa seni, ilapha azofika iplage khona, uzosiplaga kule blompot leyo, and emhlana isusa nathi niya renovate, nizobona izinto zizobheda kanjani la ekhaya. You're gonna see the ways zizofaka up ngakhona, because nisuse into lapha isithunywa sala ekhaya sisiplage khona. So those sentimental things that our grandmothers loved, or that our parents loved so much, you mustn't remove such things like that. You mustn't renovate indlu, but you need to find a way with that thing ihlale ikhona, because it's a sense of unity, it's a sense of love. It brings that element of ngisese khona, I'm still here. You know. So yeah. I'm just trying to think what is it that I'm missing, but yeah, Matuna yona, it's not entirely how you think about it. It's not entirely ngendlela uyibona ngakhona or ngendlela utshelwa ngakhona. Christianity brought a lot of shift serious ngendlela emangazayo. And ney'nyanga bese singayikhuluma into ngokuphelele kwayo bese siqamba amanga zisho ngale ndlela ezisho ngakhona kanti it's not actually like that. But yeah, hope you got what I'm teaching here.